Geometry, shapes, numbers, and theorems, driving us crazy cause we ain't ever hear 'em. Geometry, shapes, numbers, and theorems, driving us crazy cause we ain't ever hear 'em.
Wake up, getting pelted by some dice. That's what happens when you doze and miss wise. She'll tell you, study your themes. If you want results, you better believe her. Geometry is her thing. If you don't pay attention, you're failing. Perpendicular bisectors are pretty easy if you listen to this verse. They meet at the circumcenter. I won't have to repeat this if you just remember. Eat some brain fruit. The circumcenter is inside the triangle for a 2. Listen now if you don't want to endure verbal abuse. The circumcenter is outside the triangle for obtuse. The circumcenter is on the hypotenuse of right triangle, just one of 1,000 theorems on angles. Shh. This is why I doesn't appreciate math time disturbances, so just remember the circumcenter is equidistant from the verses. Remember this so you don't feel perplexed. The circumcenter forms a circle that touches each vertex. Angle bisectors are pretty easy. Listen up and stop feeling queasy. They always meet at the in-center. Don't ask why, you're not the inventor. The in-center is always in the triangle, just like the juices that are always in a pineapple. Take this definition down so Mrs. Y doesn't lose her temper. All sides of the triangle are equidistant from the in-center. Listen now, so you don't want to be disappointed. The in-center is the center of short lecture showing a point. Listen now, this is the new hot single. It's making my brain cells start to tingle.
Geometry, shapes, numbers, and theorems, driving us crazy cause we ain't ever hear 'em. Geometry, shapes, numbers, and theorems, driving us crazy cause we ain't ever hear 'em. Three, two, one, go.
Medians of a triangle got 3 sides, boy, a little like a tricycle. Miss Y, rolling down the street, better watch your back cause you know she bring the heat. That math class, it goes too hard. When I don't pass a test, I feel like lard. Listen to what I'm about to do so you don't end up feeling like poo. Intersection, that's a centroid, meets in the middle, which you can't avoid. Shortest side, times 2, that's the right answer if you listen to my crew. Vertex to the midpoint, that's the connection. If you don't get it right, you better make a correction. This brings me to the end of my rap. Better watch out before I bust a cap.
Geometry, shapes, numbers, and theorems, driving us crazy cause we ain't ever hear 'em. Geometry, shapes, numbers, and theorems, driving us crazy cause we ain't ever hear 'em. The teacher, Miss Y, she teaches so well cause she's so fly. But now, it's my turn to teach. I'ma share my knowledge from my head to my feet, teaching you altitudes of a triangle. Don't worry, it ain't that tough to wrangle. All altitudes, they meet at a point of concurrency, that is the point. The orthocenter is where the lines meet. From the opposite side, it crosses the street. Certain triangles, the orthocenter changes. In each, it's placed in various ranges. Acute triangles, it's on the inside, ducking for cover from the outside. Obtuse triangles, it meets outside, cause it's big and tough, so it don't wanna hide. Right triangles, it meets on the vertex of the right line every single time. If you know all of this, you will shine. You better remember my really cool rhymes. Gio Rico, that is my name, and all my recklessness you cannot tame. I've taught you all that I know, and now that brings us to the end of our show. I've taught you all that I know, and now that brings us to the end of our show. Geometry, shapes, numbers, and theorems, driving us crazy cause we ain't ever hear 'em. Geometry, shapes, numbers, and theorems, driving us crazy cause we ain't ever hear 'em. That's right, 2011 geometry rap. How you like that?
G-Way, baby.
Let's go.
Dirty Schmidt.
And we got that Dirty Rico on the mic. Let's go.